The Singapore F1 circuit is a very unique track. It's a regular road by day and a racetrack by night. It has to be able to handle the stresses of daily traffic and at the same time withstand the strong forces generated by the race cars. If the shearing force is too great and pieces of asphalt get dislodged, that could be very dangerous. For the Singapore Marina Bay circuit, we have developed Shell Cariphalte. It is an engineered product that enables high cohesive strength that can withstand the strong forces of the race car. In Shell, we have stringent quality control to ensure that the product does not leave our facility unless it is quality assured to meet specifications. The performance of the roads very much depends on the binder and the asphalt quality mix. Shell has a very good partnership with United E&P for a number of years. They trust in our capability to help them come up with a solution that will serve their needs.
Shell Cariphalte supply is very reliable. With the help of Shell, we have come out to mix with the right quality that can meet all the specs.
Today we're at the Singapore floating platform. We're resurfacing certain parts of the track based on feedback from the drivers of the actual race.
The mix is very high quality, like airport standard, and we are really happy with the result.
We have a very good partnership with Shell. We're not just buying a binder or a product from Shell, we're buying the whole package.
Watching a race on a track that I've helped build makes me feel very, very proud because I know that it has been built using Shell Cariphalte Bitumen. Shell Cariphalte has been a trusted product for many years and we have over 1,600 customers across the world operating in almost 28 countries. It has been used in some of the world's most iconic projects and locations like Frankfurt Airport, the F1 circuits in Bahrain, as well as our Singapore Changi Airport.
We know we're getting very good quality from Shell, and more importantly, our clients know they're getting quality by using Shell products.